Okay, in lesson 3, you are using the Treasury Department website to figure out how much the government has been spending in certain categories and how that spending has changed over time. I'm not going to give you the answers for each of these rows in the table, but I'll show you how to find them. And let's start with 2017. So if you click on this link, it takes you here. And this table is asking in 2017, what was the largest budget category? What percent of the budget was that category, and what was the dollar amount budgeted in that category? So the site defaults to 2025, and the question is asking for 2017. So we'll go to 2017. Sometimes it can take a minute for it to load. And then the largest one is pretty easy to recognize. It's just the largest rectangle. And so in 2017, that was Medicare. And if you hover over it, if you click on it, it will actually take you in and it will tell you how all of that spending broke down. But you don't have to click on it to answer this question. So we're going to go back. All you need is to hover over it. So Medicare was the largest. It's 17.3% of the budget in 2017, and it was $1 trillion. So you would just put that in that row. 17.3%, I think, and it was $1 trillion. And then you would just continue through the rest of the table and find that data and complete it. The next section asks you for the largest. It says the largest budget category changed dramatically in 2020 and 2021. So when you complete this table, you'll see 2020 and 2021. What caused that change? Hint, look inside that category in 2019 and see what went up in 2020 and 2021. So you're going to have to look in the category in 2019, see what was there, and then look inside the category in 2021 and see how it changed, and then the same in 2021. So I'm going to do it quickly. So we'll go to 2019. Actually, let's figure out what the biggest category was in 2020. So the biggest category is income security, 1.5 trillion, 15.9%. But let's look at income security in 2019. So it wasn't the biggest, it wasn't in the top 3, top 4, top 5. It was number 6. And let's look inside it. So you had federal employee retirement and disability, food nutrition assistance, housing assistance, unemployment, 31 billion, general retirement, and then other income security. That's a big one, so I'm just going to look in that one. Supplemental security income, payment where earned income credit exceeds liability for tax. So earned income. Anyway, you can kind of see what was going on in 2019 when it wasn't the biggest. Now let's go look at 2020 when it was the biggest, and we'll dig into it again. So income security. Okay, if you remember, in 2019, unemployment compensation was a little rectangle over here. Now suddenly it's the largest amount of spending in that category. So 579 billion. I think it was 31 billion in 2019. Now it's 579 billion in 2020. And then other income security is also big. So I'm going to dig in and look at that. And this was not in there before. Remember when I clicked before, I had supplemental security, I had payment for earned income, but this didn't even exist. And now here it is, and it's the largest thing in here. So US coronavirus payments, 274 billion. Okay, so if I'm answering this question, the largest budget category changed dramatically in 2020 and 2021. What caused the change? There's a huge increase in unemployment in 2020 and a huge increase, in fact, a new category called coronavirus payments in 2020. Now let's look in 2021. Actually, you can do the same for 2021 and see if anything changes that would affect the answer. So that would be your answer for number 2. For number 3, look at the top 5 budget categories for 2024. Which one provides no benefits to any U.S. citizens? How has that category changed between 2017 and 2024, and why? So it's saying to look in 2024. look there. Of the largest categories, there's Medicare, Social Security, National Defense, net interest, health. Which one of these provides absolutely no benefits to US citizens? The answer would be net interest. Those are just interest payments. So when you borrow money, you pay interest on those loans, and government, that's the fourth largest category. We're paying 1.1 trillion, 11.9%. That's in 2024. And it says to compare it to 2017. So you would want to look at 2017 and see what was going on with that interest. And you'd want to describe the change and then explain why you think it's changing. And then the last question is, how much did government spend on defense in 2021? And that one should be easy. Just go to 2021 and look at the defense category. And that's all you need in order to complete this section on spending on government budgets in the last few years.